All right, so I'm not gonna have you watch me do the entire mosaic. That would take forever. So I kind of skipped ahead. When you think you are done, you're going to test. And super simple test. You make sure you have your select tool, and you're going to select that photo that's behind all of your shapes. Make sure you're not selecting one of your shapes, but really the whole picture behind, and you hit delete. Told you it was an easy test. If you hit delete and it looks good, you're done. But if you hit delete and it's not, let's see, let's say I missed a section. So maybe I somehow didn't do this section and I didn't notice because it's yellow. If I select that picture and I hit delete, it's going to look wrong. Right? So test it, and if you think you're done, then awesome. I wanted to also note that I added another value scale because I did some shades of brown for the top and bottom of my banana. Remember, every color you use, you need to have a value scale. So again, if you have a really complex image, and you're doing a really complex mosaic, you might have 5 or 6 or 7 of these, and you can put these anywhere. Like if you have a bunch of extras, if you have a bunch of extras of these, they could go, just use arrows, they could go on top of the directions because I don't need the directions, I know how to do it. So if you put a few over here, that would be fine. So every color that you have, you need a value scale. So I now have 2 for this image. When you are done, you are going to do 2 things. First, you're going to share this with me, and I'll see kind of it with the value scale, and I'll see it with, I'll be able to kind of peek at with the steps you did, and because that's just how Google Drive works, I can kind of see the history of it and all of that stuff. So share this with me just by hitting the blue share button. And then also download. So you're going to go to File, Download, and pick JPEG. And when you do that, it'll go into your download file. It also, for me right now, is down here. And it makes a JPEG just of the artwork itself. Okay, and then you're going to put that onto your learning story, onto your slideshow. I had mentioned before that after you were done, if you wanted to change the background color, you can do that. So remember, it's Control-click, and then you can make that background whatever color you want. Just be mindful that you want to make those changes to make the artwork look better, not worse. I like yellow and purple together. They're complementary colors. I don't know if it makes it look better. Maybe I want to use kind of a different kind of purple. I like that one better. So test it. Make sure you really are done. Download the JPEG and double check that for every color you used, you have that value scale.